Sofia Vergara is TV's highest paid actress thanks to her role on Modern Family and endorsement deals, but don't expect her to be acting all modest family about it. The actress tells Glam Belleza Latina magazine that she's not ashamed to say she loves making money. Sofia doesn't attribute her success to stunning looks, though, quite the opposite. She tells the magazine that she likes business, and she thinks the concept of being sexy and smart is difficult for many to grasp, but she's used that to her advantage. Sofia prides herself on her intelligence and uses it to negotiate deals to her favor. She reportedly likes to shock people, likely her endorsers like Diet Pepsi, CoverGirl, and Kmart, with her business ideas. Although Sofia earned a reported $30 million in 2013, don't expect her to spend it lavishly. The Colombia-born Latina says she saves way more than she spends, invests, and plans for the future. Those as smart as Sofia can tell, that future looks pretty rich.